Hey guys, the first part of this video is me and Birdie and the boys out at the Comfort Ranch working on concreting post in, and we were supposed to go back out there today to start welding the post and hopefully be putting up barbed wire fence very soon, but kind of having to put that on pause right now because we have one of our English Mastiffs, ZOEY, our female. She has taken a turn for the worse. We knew this day was coming for a while. She has cancer in one of her legs, and it's gotten to the point to where now she can hardly walk at all, and she doesn't want to eat. So unfortunately, we're going to have to put her down. So this is kind of like a two-part video. I mean, it's going to be one video, but anyway, today didn't go as planned.
It's kind of like, I think I can.
This requires a systematic.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
Good morning. Welcome to Texas Beard Adventures. Me and Birdie sitting on the
morning anymore. Good afternoon.
Oh, it's 1 o'clock. I wasn't even gonna make a video today because of all the, we're just gonna be concrete and posting. And I was like, what's exciting about that? Nothing. But now the skid loader's not stuck at the bottom of the gully, but we cannot get it back up to the other side because we got some rain last night. Don't know how much exactly, but it's too slippery and it will not climb the other side of the hill. So what I plan on doing, and I don't know if it's plus what,
the bucket is full of
agua frescas,
so
for us to mix with the concrete to pour the post.
And at the rate we're going, there's not even going to be any water left by the time we get
Yeah, it
to
all
the
keeps
other
dumping
side.
out. So it's all together, it's a bad deal. But we got the Suzuki right over there with the tow straps on the hood, and I'm gonna see if I can't, well, with the help of Birdie. You want to drive the Bobcat or you want to drive the Suzuki?
Neither.
I think it's pronounced neither. Potato, potato, tomato, tomato. Here we go. We're gonna see what happens. God bless. Was a midget driving this thing or what? Ah.
Your helper here. I don't see anybody else here to help you.
No, there's nobody else. Just me and Birdie. So we got tow strap, D-ring, shine over there. Got that one already kind of rigged up, and trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this one. 'Cause I don't want too much slack. I want some slack, but not crazy amounts. Come on down here.
Yeah, this is our lovely path to help get up.
Come here, Connor.
Go grab the strap.
Take both ends up to Mama. You got both ends?
Come here. Bring that end over here. Okay.
Good.
What happened?
This is stuck. There's a bunch of mud all over the tires. All this mud. This is that bottom of that gully. Just too slippery. Won't make it up. But where there's a will, there's a way. Right, Coco?
Yeah, I don't know about that.
back up a little bit.
Just for the record, let's make sure we say that Mom is not happy about this.
Come on back. All right, stop. All right, we just shortened up the tow strap. See if that helps. Made it! Oh yeah, baby! See? Now, how do you feel? Feel great, right?
So great knowing that we still have to go back and get concrete, and we still have to go back and get the mixer.
We may be putting concrete in the back of the Suzuki.
I think so.
Oh, we have to get the mixer though.
I know.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Well, we got it.
Well, Birdie just got stung by a bee.
On the tongue. Yeah,
She's happy about it.
real happy.
Are you okay, babe?
I'm fine, I think. I'm just gonna take some Benadryl in a bit. But it flew into my Zevia, and when I took a sip of it, it was still alive, and it stung my tongue, and I spit it all out. Connor killed the bee for me. Spit out the stinger.
Good job, Coco.
I spit out the stinger. But at first I was like, what the?
Yeah.
But
What's going on here?
it hurts like a mofo.
I would imagine.
And this is the stick I killed it with.
There you go. How many people have had that happen to them? Comment below.
And there's no actual like cane sugar in this.
Yeah, but it still smells sweet.
No,
to
it
them.
is still sweet for sure because it's got the stevia as the sweetener. Man, oh man.
All right, so this is our redneck concrete mixing station. Got our barrel full of water. Got my buddy's concrete mixer, and we're mixing it here. We already set a couple posts down over there. Now we're gonna go set some posts down over there. So finally started rolling the camera again because I forgot to grab it earlier. Just trying to get some stuff done, you know. You ready, babe?
Yeah, I think I'm ready.
I'm ready to go, everybody. We got our concrete here mixing. Look at that.
See your measuring tape.
What are you talking about? So Birdie found this beautiful Sweet One owner post hole digger, and it was missing a handle. What's funny is that the wooden piece is still in there. You see it right there? See, like that side, that was piece right there, the red piece is all wood. This side, I welded it up with some 1-inch. It was actually from one of your curtain rods from our house. Pretty proud about that.
Wants to lean a little bit.
Yeah, there you go. See the professional at work, folks.
Hey, I'm a farmer's daughter.
That's right. We're going that side of the street. Did you put the wrong side down in there or what?
Yeah, initially it is. Kind of back in here.
That's right, boy. We ain't paying you to stand around, play all day. You gotta earn your keep around here. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be handy with your steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep. And then that's when they play the regulators. Mount up.
Might help if you had it.
Tilted down some more.
No.
Oh, spun it.
Yeah.
Spun that. Okay, I can spin it.
Hold on.
Because it's all like at the bottom.
Oh, it's all at the bottom.
Right up here. A little bit more.
Huh?
Little more. Whoa. There you go. That's it, isn't it, bud?
I'm gonna go inside and go talk to her and let y'all meet her. I haven't really had the dogs in much videos just because, I mean, if they're in them, they're in them. If we're at the house, I don't do a lot of videos here at the house. Most of mine are away. So you may have seen her on Instagram a little bit, but we've been in contact with the vet, and he's supposed to be coming out at some point today. So yeah, we're gonna have to go ahead and put her down, unfortunately, but we know it's time just because of the way that she's acting, and it's ready for her. I think she's ready to go to heaven. So anyway, I'll go inside now. So here's Zoe. Hi, sweet girl. How are you doing? The cancer that she has is in her foot right here. I don't know. You can't really see it that well, but it is. It's really big. Her paw has gotten swollen. Also, this growth has grown ever since it started. It's grown probably at least every week. Birdie's been measuring it. She did not want to be in this video because she cannot keep it together. Zoe and her had a very special bond. I have a bond with Zoe also, so do the boys, but Zoe would stay in Robin's office with her, and they hung out a lot more than me and her. So we found that she had cancer about 4 months ago or so, and we didn't think that she was going to last this long, but we've been keeping her comfortable on pain meds, and making sure that her quality of life was good. But when they don't want to eat and they don't want to get up anymore, it's, it's time. So it sucks that dogs only live to be 10 to 15. Isn't that right, Zoe? Yeah, sweet girl. I know. We love you. We love you a lot. Yeah. So, this is not how I thought the second part to this video was going to go, but this is life, right? You want to say anything to Zoe, Connor?
She can go to heaven in peace.
She can go to heaven in peace. Yeah, that's very good. So, anyway, that's the end of this video, and yeah, I'm not going to do my typical outro because I don't think it's appropriate.
Really? What?
Old girl.